Now, this illustration deals with luminaires that are installed in clothes closets. Inner coordinates for 410.16 C as in car 1 through C5. Now, reviewing the illustration to the left, NEC 410.16 C1, then notice you have a shift there. It's and 24 inches out is the measurement for the rod. Now, when you get up above that, then notice you have a 12-inch minimum shift, and the light surface mounted would be a 6-inch rule, and then if it's mounted in a closed type, which is mounted and pointing toward the shift to the right as you see, would be 12 inches. And this would include, as you see above, surface mounted incandescent or LED luminaires would fall under this rule. So if a lighting fixture, for example, if you install that lighting fixture in there to give light, this would be your measurements that you would, to make sure that you meet, so heat would not be a problem to storage on the shelf or to clothes hanging on the rod. Now, next we'll move over to NEC 410.16 C2, and what kind of fixtures are we talking about here? Surface mounted fluorescent. Then notice we deal with basically 6 inches and 12-inch rule from a 12-inch shelf, and then notice the same rule would apply there for the 24-inch out measurement for clothing for a rod to be cold, with coat hangers hanging your clothes. Now, to the right, and the final illustration, NEC 410.16 C3 is in car and C4 is in car. And here we're talking about recessed now. Recessed LED or fluorescent lights. As you see, they're recessed. And it's just a 6-inch rule with solid lens. And you notice in the shelving is 12 inches. And we have our measurements there, that would be vertically and horizontally. And then we have the 24-inch measurement there for the rod. Now, this figure 11-18 deals with luminaires in clothes closets, meeting the requirements of NEC 410.16 C1 through C5 as in car.